as poor logistic handling and poor training can lead to stupid decisions, as seen here as Russian soldiers placed anti-tank mines next to their trenches, making it much more dangerous to be near this position, as the smallest of explosion can cause a massive explosion, as seen when this Ukrainian drone operator used a single high explosive dual-purpose grenade to hit the mines, causing all of them to explode, carving out a massive hole, weakening Russia's defensive position and removing more anti-tank mines, all with a single small grenade, letting the Ukrainian drone to go after new targets to take out, to leave a little less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.